Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we continue our lesson about basic PLC GE that related to advanced math function. Okay, so in the previous video we already learned about exponential function, about the natural exponential and exponential. Okay, so today we will continue to another function. First is base 10 logarithm, and the second one is the natural logarithm, or we can say log base 10, and this one is length. Okay, this one is log, this one is length. Okay, so we can go to our program and edit the program and test simulation. Okay, let's go. So first open Proficy Machine Edition and then go to training project, because I will choose the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Okay, so let's go to FP4 about the exponential. Okay, so to go edit for logarithm, let's go to advanced math in the tool chest, select FBD instruction and then go to advanced math, and here is the logarithm base 10, and this one is a natural logarithm. Okay, so let's drag and drop the function block to our main program. Okay, so this one is the logarithm base 10, and one more for logarithm natural. Okay, so we can provide the variables for input base 10 logarithm. So we can write log input. Okay, and then this one for log output, so we can write log output. Okay, and this one for length input. Okay, we can write length input, and this one for length output, logarithm natural output. Okay, so that's all for this function, and then let's validate. Okay, no error, so we can save our project and online for download this one to our CPU. Okay, download. Yes, right now for logarithm base 10 we can write our variable, and then let's see the output. Example 10. So normally log base 10 equal 1. Yes. Example 12. So 12 equal 1.07 something. Okay, so we can go to our calculator to compare with the result of logarithm base 10. So we can write 12 and then log, so it will be the same. Yes, 1.0791 something. Okay, so this is a basic of base 10 logarithm base 10, and for natural logarithm we also can test. So right click in input and then write value. We can write 12. Okay, length 12 equal 2.48 something. Okay, so we can compare with our calculator. So 12 and then length, so the result is the same. Okay, 2.48 something. Let's try more. Example 15. So 15 and length, okay, 2.708 something. Okay, so it the same our calculator. So it is very important for basic math and advanced mathematics for create the other program. Sometimes we use all these functions to calculate the scaling or convert some function that we need. So we can use all those functions to be improve our program. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my video, and don't forget hit button subscribe, like and share my video also to get more new notification and more video. Okay, so thank you very much again and see you next video. Bye bye.